What's up, guys? This is SSM, Slow Motion and More, and today we are doing a basically our first smash in of our channel, and we're gonna be smashing a Hale's cough drop. It's just one of the blue ones. Nothing too big. Just one of the blue cough drops. It's the Hale's one, and we're gonna try to smash it with the hammer, and we're gonna do it at about, let's say, like 1,500 FPS, frames per second. And here we go. Let's zoom up a little more. And 3, 2, 1, and there it goes. Now let's eat them. Oh, that's good. That's about what's left. And let's try to scratch this. Oh, these are ridiculous. Anyways, that's what that is. Yeah, that's a pretty tough hammer. And so now Nick's eating everything. Okay. What? So ridiculous. Anyways, thanks for watching. That was our video. If you guys have any more suggestions in the comments, please leave them, and we will do it if we can. And see you guys next time. Bye.